Oasis Spring Summer Look 2019. Dive into a world of exotically vibrant tones and textures. Embrace the spicy side of life with the Oasis collection. Apply Spark Cheek Illuminator below the brow bone using brush 610. Apply bronzed eye color to the lid using brush 320. Mix with primer or water for more intensity. Blend Firebrick Eye Color into the crease of the eye using brush 300. Apply brown cake eyeliner to the lower lash line using brush 210. For added warmth, apply Glow Cheek Color to the apple of the cheek using brush 700. Complete the look by applying spicy lip glaze to the lip.